know if you guys ever had the issue where you press on the brake pedal and then your brake lights won't come on. The culprit is usually this little Z06 diode. It plugs in right here on this little wire up at the top. Had to drive like that for a while with no brake lights. Whenever I step on the brake light, well, when I step on the brake pedal, it wouldn't come on. I thought originally it might be the actual brake switch itself that's behind the brake pedal, and it was not. I actually went in for a recall for that. I guess that was a recall before. That's only if your brake lights are stuck on. If they're not stuck on and they just don't come on when you press the brake pedal, it is that guy right back there, the Z06 diode.